Right guys, Billy here and welcome to my video. This is a video for Banggood. They've sent me some items in and I've got a range of tools to show you, woodworking tools. And this first lot are going to be 3 tools in this video that are meant for woodworking that I'm going to show you. Just get them out of the box, show you the quality, a quick brief rundown. And then as we go on through the sort of days running up to the 11/11 sale, I will be showing you them in more in depth, in use, all that kind of stuff. So let's get on with the first 3 tools I've got today. And the first one is what they call a adjustable multi-angle punch. It's a drill guide. Yeah, it's got full instructions. This comes with instructions, all that kind of stuff. Now let's get the bits out of the box and let's have a look at the quality. You got them 2 there. They're like guides. It's in there. These are like, they're called guide rails, so you can sort of adjust it. You'll see on few upcoming videos, like I might show you in this actually, but the little guides that sit on the end, and them there. You've got the main unit, which is really good quality by looks of things, and the chuck. Let's get rid of that over there for now. So, first impressions of the quality of it. Looks really good. It's all aluminium. You've got like these brass sort of ferrule things up here. Don't ask me what the real name of them is because I haven't got a clue. And then you've got a depth stop here. You've got all the adjustments. It's all like fine adjusting round there. I don't know if you can hear this on the video. It's got positive stops on it. It's got a nice solid weight to it. You've got holes here, what you can, pin it down to a board if you're going over, if you're going across sort of thing. These 2 V-grooves here, so if you've got like cylindrical object, like say a broom handle, something like that, you can pop it in and you can drill your holes nice and neat. These 2 handles here, obviously, act as locks as well. So like if it's in that position, it's easy enough to move. You want to go to that position on the positive stop. And so they double as locks as well as sort of handles. Well manufactured, engineered steel then. And that there is nice and solid. This is the upgraded version. I don't know what they upgraded, but it's the upgraded version. Just let's pull that back to the centre. That's nice. You got your little chuck key, bag of gubbins there. Simply there you go. Sometimes I rush too much sometimes, but there you go, that's on there now. What can I say about the quality of it? Really good. All the markings on it are really good. You can see, I wear glasses as you can see, and I can see them okay. This is an Enjoy Wood product. All the products featured, there'll be links down below in the description. Do go and have a look at them because I think really good quality. You'll pay a hell of a lot more for something like that, which is of lesser quality. So this is all aluminium, all like steel. The chuck seems okay, seems good. I'm not a chuck expert, but you can get that easy on and easy off. There you go. It is what it is. Let's get it set up and let's do some drilling. So I've just got it set up with a drill bit in there and my Melif drill. It stands up, it's nice and, balances really well. It's got a depth stop here, depth stop adjuster. Obviously, if I want to So if I want to just, let's say, go to there, back it off a bit. So that depth stop. Let's get a piece of wood. Just use a bit of this. I'm doing that wrong. And you want to move across, obviously. And it takes that, you know, if you're drilling down, if you're just using sort of the drill on its own, you know, good bit of kit. Am I impressed with it? Yeah, I am. The quality of it's really good. Let's try something else. Ba-da, 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 ba-da. Ba-da, 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 ba-da. I mean, I've got a bit of tear out there, obviously, but if you're drilling through round stock, you've now got the tool to do it, haven't you? So yeah, this is available on Banggood. Links will be in the description. Yeah, put in the comments, guys, what you think of it. But that's the initial review. You'll see me using this on more videos. But yeah, let me know what you think of this one. Right, so next thing they sent me were these setup blocks. Set up a, you know, stack of these are metric setup blocks. Come in a nice foam holder like that. All aluminium again. I've got another set of these, but you know, and I find them really, really good. So just let's try them. I'm all fingers and thumbs today. So that's the 12mm. I don't know if you can see that on there. It's bang on 12mm. That's fine. .32mm, spot on. Let's try 18mm. Spot on again. Try the big sort of, class it as a 1, 2, 3 block, wouldn't you, or something like that. So, where are we? There we are. The 25 is perfect. This will be the 50. Spot on again. And the 100 spot on. So they're all really accurate. So again, get these on the Banggood sale. Best price time to get them is now. They're really good. The quality, all the markings on them. You've got it in metric. You can get these in Imperial if you're in the States or whatever. But yeah, you can get them. Now, to sort of like get a relevant sort of gauge of prices of these, they're all over the place, but they always seem to be really, really expensive. And these Enjoywood ones are a really good price. So do go over, click the link and check out them, because they are really, you know, if you're setting up your bandsaw, your outer table, you know, your bits, your outer bits, all that kind of stuff, just getting things nice and accurate. If you're sort of setting a fence against your table saw, all that kind of thing, really good, handy tool to have. I use mine all the time. And this was another set. The the bigger set that they've sent me. Just let's try this one. This is a tiny one, 1 mil. Spot on, 1 mil. No matter which ones I'm taking out, let's pick another random one out of here. 4 mil. 4 mil. Spot on. Now these are super accurate, these little chinois things. These are really good, aren't they? You know what I mean? And you can sort of like, you've got it in a sort of like this packaging, so you can easily pop it into a drawer, that kind of thing. Yeah, another really good quality products available on Banggood. It's the Enjoy Wood. You've got the Enjoy Wood on Dewey, all that kind of stuff. They all seem to be really good quality tools, and there's a lot of stuff coming out of like China now like this that is exceptional quality. They're all spot on. Everything is precision, so it's a good set and at a good price. I'm not trying to flog these onto you. They've been sent in for me to review. You will actually see me use these on my build videos. So go on to the Banggood site and look them up. Just look them up. They are good. Right, another one we got sent in was this sharpening guide for your chisels. So again, just let's get it out, get it all out the box. So marked really well, all aluminium, fantastic really. Again, comes with this sort of, you know, case, so you can, not a case is it, it's like foam, but you can just pop it into your drawer under your workbench. All the edges are there, so you put your chisel in. So yeah, what you can do is you can fit your chisel into there. So these are normally like 25 degrees. That's 25 degrees. But I always get it to sort of like a 30 just to give it that bit extra. Well, yeah, so it'll tell you what your chisel is. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. So this is just like one of my chisels I use for banging out. So let me get this set up and I'll show you how it works. So I'll just put my chisel in there. It only goes round one way because of the grooves. You sit this in here like that. You can pin this down to a board if you want to make a little board. Slide that across. I've got this set to 30 degrees and just simply tighten it up. Make sure you get it nice and square. That's that. And you are ready to go sharpening. Right, so I've got my little diamond stones out. These are from a company called Faithful. You've got 400, 600 and 1,000 grit. I'm just going to quickly go to the 600 and 1,000 grit. Just to lubricate that, all I'm using is a bit of household glass cleaner. Apparently, it's supposed to be really good. You know, we'll see. So all I want to do is just nip up an edge on this. So you only need to nip up these chisels anyway. Set that off. And then little strop I made myself. Just charge it up a bit. The quality of that is really good. The wheel's good, moves freely. Really nice. And then just sort of like about 20-30 times. I'm probably doing this all wrong, but I'm not an hand tool person, but I have been sort of like trying to learn about hand tools, that kind of thing. And then I feel that. Let's get a bit of wood and see how it cuts. So let's see how well this cuts. Just with a quick 2-minute sharpen up on it. I'm no expert, as you can see. Clamps are getting in my way there, but excuses, Billy, excuses. That's really nice and sharp now. I'm not going to do the scrape your hair test and all this kind of stuff. I can feel all the hand tool people screaming at me now. You don't do it like that. Probably don't, but you know what? I'm doing it like this, aren't I? I just want to check that, see how it's done it. Sharpen it perfectly. So, you don't have to go out and spend like loads of money on sharpening jigs and all that kind of stuff when you can get something inexpensive like that. Really, it's a nice bit of kit. Yeah, so let me know in the comments what you think of them 3 items that I've just showed you. I will show you some more tomorrow on another video, or it'll be the next day. But these, I didn't want to overdo it with a thing. But yeah, I think that there easy comes apart for storage. That little screw comes back. Pop it back in there so you don't lose it. That goes in, is it that way? That goes in that way into the thing. That goes in there. That goes at the back. Well, no it don't, it sits on there. Easy. Another nice little piece of tool from Banggood. Again, links in the description, and I'll bring you some more tools tomorrow and let me know what you think about them also. But yeah, do you know what? There's something about using chisels that's so satisfying. I don't know what it is. I could sit here and I could do that all day long. Just carving away with my little self. Get away with the fairies kind of stuff. But yeah, in the comments, guys, what you think of these tools. I think all them tools I've showed you there today are really good quality. The drill guide, really well made. The setup blocks, really good precision. And that little sharpening jig, really cost effective. If you've got cheap sets of chisels, that kind of stuff. You could, even if you've got like really expensive sets of chisels and you don't want a really expensive sharpening setup, you don't need to go and spend mega money, do you? You can just get something like that. It's all aluminium, it's all good quality. It's got the guides there. You can put it on a little block, set it up, put it away under your, your tool cart, in your drawer, wherever. But yeah, I'm quite happy with them. Let me know what you think.